Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of gear for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, goes on adventures, or is simply looking to be prepared for emergencies. We stumbled upon the EVERLIT Emergency Trauma Kit, and we've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EVERLIT Emergency Trauma Kit? This is a tactical first aid kit designed specifically for severe bleeding control and critical wound management. It's been uniquely customized by U.S. military veterans, ensuring that it is equipped to handle emergencies effectively. Whether you're a field medic, a police officer, a military personnel, or just someone who loves the great outdoors, this trauma kit is made to help you respond quickly and efficiently in a crisis. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make this kit an absolute must-have. First and foremost, it addresses massive hemorrhage and circulatory care. The kit includes a military combat tourniquet, tactical pressure dressing, and compressed gauze, which are all essential for controlling severe bleeding. These items have been specially selected for their user-friendly design, making it easier for anyone to manage a traumatic injury in high-pressure situations. In addition to bleeding control, the kit also provides vital respiratory and hypothermia treatment options. If someone experiences an open chest wound, sealing it quickly is crucial. The kit contains durable plastic packaging that can be used in conjunction with first aid tape to effectively seal the wound. This is particularly important because shock can occur after significant blood loss, which can lead to a drop in body temperature. To combat hypothermia, the kit includes an emergency thermal blanket designed to keep the body warm until further medical help arrives. Another critical feature of the EVERLIT Trauma Kit is its ability to assist in bone fracture treatment. It comes with a 36-inch splint roll, a triangle bandage, and an elastic bandage. These items are specifically chosen to help stabilize any limb fractures, ensuring that injured bones are kept in position and secure. This is an invaluable addition for those who engage in activities like hiking or climbing, where falls and injuries can happen. Now, who is this kit suitable for? The short answer is everyone. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a hunter, or someone who goes camping frequently, this kit is tailor-made for you. It's also perfect for first responders, field tactical medics, and anyone in professions where emergency situations may arise. Even if you're just looking to have a safety net during your travels, this kit is a wise investment. Let's discuss some practical use cases for the EVERLIT Trauma Kit. Imagine you're out hiking in a remote area, and a fellow hiker suffers a severe cut or injury. With this kit, you can quickly apply the tourniquet and pressure dressing to control the bleeding while waiting for help. Alternatively, if you're camping and someone accidentally breaks an arm, the splint and bandages will allow you to stabilize the injury until you can reach a hospital. In summary, the EVERLIT Emergency Trauma Kit is a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to be prepared for emergencies. Its design and contents reflect the expertise of military veterans, making it a reliable choice for managing severe injuries effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped